Yes. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have been traveling from Goa to Kerala, and as you can see here, I've made almost 10,738 rupees while I was on the train. So I have opened my position at around 11:36, and my position lasted till 3:25. You can see my orders here. Right? Anyway, I'll show you that in my laptop screen. So as I've said, I was traveling all the way, but even though I was traveling, I could make some money out of my travels, which can be used for my bus tickets or train tickets or whatever. But yeah, this is the power of trading. Wherever you are, if you're traveling, whatever you're doing, if you have a good hang of the market, then you can actually make a good money out of market. So let's jump right into the video and see how my trade went, and also let's see how are the markets going to be in the coming week or this week till Friday. So let's see if Bank Nifty and Nifty is going to be bullish or bearish with the levels. So let's jump right into the video and see what's happening with the market. As you can see here, market opened on a very good gap up, and then market tried to move down to 44,096, which has been a very good level in the previous days. So from there, market has moved up till 44,275, which is another important level that we have plotted in the previous day. So exactly, it has been trading between our range, and if you are actually following our videos, you could have actually made a good amount of money. So what happened was, in the morning it tried to move up again, a red candle came, and from there it again flew up to touch 44,200, where there was good put to I build up at 44,200, but even though put was there, market could not sustain above 44,200, and it started coming down to touch to make a new trend. So exactly, as we can see here, it's a morning star pattern which is not that reliable. So from that point, from 44,154, it has moved up by almost 154, and we can clearly see that it has acted as a head and shoulder pattern. So this was the first shoulder, this is the head, and this was supposed to be the second shoulder, but that second shoulder was broken above with a large green candle in 15-minute time frame. So from there, it tried to move above the day's low. Since I have seen a very good pressure here, I was sure that Bank Nifty was going to go down. Even though I have opened my position around 11, my first position, let me see when it was taken, 11:36, and the second one was 11:52. So 11:36, I have opened my position at this candle. Okay, I have opened my position at this candle, but when Bank Nifty came down to this level also, I was at a profit of around I think 5,000 or 6,000 rupees. Then at this point, I have averaged I have added 200 more quantities. So first buy was around 350 quantities, then I averaged it with 200 quantities, and I was sure that, so once this shoulder came, I was sure that Bank Nifty was going to go down, but when this shoulder was broken, I thought Bank Nifty is going to test all-time high, which is 44,500. But to my favor, Bank Nifty moved up to 44,266, which is right above the previous head, but a good sell pressure is what we can see from that level, and then Bank Nifty has fallen pathetically down from there to 44,096, which has been a very good support in the previous day. So the levels that you have to keep in mind should be between 44,100 and 44,275 for tomorrow intraday, and if 44,079 is broken, or so 44,079 is the yesterday's high. So if that is broken, then we will see a gap filling in Bank Nifty till 43,900, and again that the multiples of 500 in Bank Nifty has always been a psychological resistance or support, so you have to be very careful about that. So if Bank Nifty falls down to 43,975, from there is a major trend line which has been respected in the previous days. So if that is taken, if that is respected, then we will see a further bullish movement, and if that is broken, then 43,795 and then 43,400. So there are few gaps of 80 to 100 points that has to be filled. It's not the filling is not sure, but most of the time when there is a good gap, you see market filling the gaps. So probably we'll see a movement towards the downside, as most of the studies in money control also says, and also many of the research analysts says that Nifty is almost reaching its resistance, and you can expect a downward movement. So let's not talk about Nifty much, but coming to Bank Nifty again, if Nifty is pathetically falling down, then we can see Bank Nifty going down as well. So this is one important trend line that you have to look forward to, and if that is broken, then a further downward movement, or until then you will see Bank Nifty going back to a higher level. So again, there is this one gap which is yet to be filled at this point, that is between 44,336 and 44,452, which is going to be filled in the coming days if Bank Nifty breaks above 44,275. And also looking at Delta Corp, we can see that Delta Corp has taken, the resistance was broken and it's moved up to 248 by almost 9 points, and from there it has come down to the level that we thought there would be a breakout that may happen. And also now crude oil is trading at 6,027. So these are the swing picks that I have mentioned in a video which I have posted 2 weeks back. So looking at Bank Nifty, so the higher resistances on the higher side would be 44,275, then 44,400, and then 44,500. If it is coming down, then this will be the important level. So all the levels that is marked on green would be the important level. So 43,795, after 795, 582, sorry, so this drop between 43,695 and then 43,590 can be very good supports as well. So look into the levels and take this as a reference for your trades. So again, I'm telling you, we are not SEBI registered analysts, and also these are only for educational purposes. You can take these levels as references for your trades. Also, we have a 3-month complete stock market training program wherein we'll be teaching you from absolute basics of the market to advanced options, and you will be a good options buyer or you will become a good price action trader in a span of 3 months. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.